Hi, this is Dr. Bragg. Today I want to talk about when can you use Tylenol. Tylenol is also called acetaminophen. That's just a generic name and really means that you would probably get the medication for cheaper. You can use acetaminophen, Tylenol, when you have two problems: pain. It doesn't matter if you have a muscle strain or a ligament sprain. You can use Tylenol. Tylenol is also good for a headache. And you can use Tylenol even if you're on a blood thinner. And that's pretty good. So if you're taking something like an anticoagulant because you had a heart problem or a stroke and you're on a blood thinner, you usually can use Tylenol. Now, the indications of when you can use Tylenol or the amount of Tylenol that you can use has changed. You cannot take more than 3,000 milligrams of Tylenol in a day. So Tylenol comes in two strengths: 325 milligrams, and then 500 milligrams is your extra strength Tylenol. So for most adult patients, which I treat and which I'm talking about today, you can use a 500 milligram tablet of Tylenol, and you can usually take two at a time, but no more than 3 times a day. Meaning you never want to take more than 6 Tylenols in a day, because remember, I just said you never want to go above 3,000 milligrams of Tylenol in a day, which would mean you never take more than 6 extra strength Tylenol tablets in a day, whether you're taking it for back pain, ankle pain, shoulder pain, or a headache. Never more than 6 tablets in a day. Now, if you have liver disease, Tylenol is not a good drug for you because it's metabolized in the liver. So that means if you are a heavy drinker, someone who drinks more than 3 cocktails in a day, because alcohol can affect your liver, you don't want to be one that takes Tylenol. So you may have to consider another drug. Now, all of these things that I'm telling you is just for people that have simple pains and maybe have fever, that you can try Tylenol as a means of getting rid of the fever and getting rid of the pain. But the main thing I wanted you to know that Tylenol has a limit, and you should never take more than 6 extra strength Tylenols in a day. So remember this when you go to your medicine cabinet and pick up Tylenol, acetaminophen, that you limit it to 6 tablets a day. I hope this tip is beneficial to you, and if it is, let me know. And next week we may talk about another medication or whatever you think is beneficial. Write it down in the comment section and let me know. Now subscribe, and I'll be back again next week with another tip for a pain-free Friday.